What's up, everybody? So I just want to talk about my recent sourcing trip that I went on. So I actually went to an auction a couple days ago. It was an estate auction. They held it at like this large building. I actually didn't have very much, but I talked to the guy there and he said he's probably going to have 2 more auctions with this person's stuff. There was tons of toys and stuff in this estate. So at this auction they had a lot of Disney stuff. They had a lot of Barbies. And a few other things. So I ended up buying, so I actually went with my dad, and he has an eBay store. He sells a whole lot. I try to sell mostly on Amazon, but I'm still listing stuff on eBay. He's sold a lot of Barbies and a lot of Disney type collectibles in the past, so he kind of knew what stuff was worth. So I kind of let him bid on stuff to start off with, and then I would watch him and see what he was bidding on, and then if he wasn't bidding on something and the price was pretty good, then I would buy it. So there were times when they would put like 2 or 3 Barbies together, and he would buy them for, I don't know, 20-30 bucks just because they're really good ones. And then they would put like 2 or 3 different ones together and nobody wanted them, so I got them for $5. So I was just trying to get stuff for as cheap as possible, and I think I can sell it on Amazon. They might be worth like $10. It's gonna sell slow because I think they're the less desirable ones, but I still think I might make like 50 to 100 bucks on the Barbies I bought. So I actually bought, they had like a flat of Pez dispensers, like all brand new in the packaging. I'm gonna try to look those up. I think, depending on what they are, I might sell them separately or lot them together. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look them up. But I probably got like 15 or so for $5. Not a great deal, but I think it was pretty good. And then what else did I get? They had the bigger packs of Pez. So like the Lord of the Rings packs, and what was another one? Like Snow White and 7 Dwarfs, all in. They're all Pez dispensers in there. So these are normally like 20 bucks retail price in the store, and I think I could probably get 15 to 20 for each of them. End up getting them for $5 a piece. Really, this auction didn't want to sell anything for under $5. So if it's not going for $5, they were just adding stuff to it. I also got 2 flats of Hallmark ornaments. I think I'm going to do pretty well with those. One of them was some Barbie Hallmark ornaments, so I think I'll do pretty well with those. There's probably like 5 to 10 in there for $5. So probably about $1 a piece is what I paid, I would say. And they were Barbie ones, so I think I might be able to get a few dollars a piece, maybe 5 a piece for them. And I also bought another flat of Hallmark ornaments. It was mostly sports characters. I haven't really looked at it real close. I just saw their Hallmark ornaments, and I loaded them in my car when I bought them. I didn't really look that closely, so I'm gonna have to look when I get home. I bought that one for $5. There's probably 10 of them in there, so I think I got a good deal on those. That's pretty much it. Not gonna make a whole lot of money. I might make 150 bucks. Max out maybe $200. on everything. I spent around 70. So that's really it. That's what I did a couple days ago. Went to that auction. Hopefully, if the weather's good, I'm gonna go to a flea market on Wednesday morning, and take you guys with me. So check out that video, hopefully, and I'll see everybody next time.